Meaning of diuretic.
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 Diuretic. A diuretic is a substance that increases urine production and excretion from the body. This can be achieved by stimulating the kidneys to remove excess salt and water from the blood, which ultimately results in increased urine output. Diuretics are commonly used to treat conditions such as high blood pressure, heart failure, and edema. Some common types of diuretics include thiazides, loop diuretics, and potassium-sparing diuretics. While diuretics can be highly effective in treating certain medical conditions, they also come with potential side effects such as dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and kidney damage.